To make this super delicious pasta, we're going to add bell pepper and a red onion to a saucepan. I don't use oil, so I'm not going to add any oil, but you could do whatever you like or whatever you're used to. Or you can learn from me and try cooking and sauteing things without any oil. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and continue sauteing these ingredients. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes. And I'm going to continue sauteing for just a couple of more seconds. Once I see that my ingredients are nice and charred and they've got some color and some caramelization has been activated, I'm going to add a half a cup of cashews and some water all the way to the top to submerge these ingredients, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once I bring these ingredients to a boil, which will only take about 1 to 3 minutes, I'm going to transfer it to a blender and just blend the concoction together. Once the sauce is completely blended and smooth, the sauce is ready. You can store it or you can use it right away, which I will. I'm gonna add some mushrooms to a pan. These are shiitake. And that's all I really have. And then I'm gonna add my pasta sauce and my pasta. And I'm gonna cook up my pasta. I'm gonna season just in case it needs some more salt, but I'm gonna taste it first. Add a little water to loosen the pasta if it gets stuck on the pan. And there you have it, a delicious, amazing pasta. This is super delicious. It's great for meal prep. It's great with veggies. It's delicious. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.